And a very happy new year to our DPS Greater Faridabad family. As we step into the new year filled with fresh hopes and new beginnings, we pause to look back with pride at the journey we had just completed. Before we turn the page forward, we choose to begin by reflecting on the year that was a year shaped by perseverance, purpose, and outstanding achievement. The past academic year stood as a powerful reminder of what dedication, discipline, and belief could accomplish. Tonight, we revisit moments that defined us, moments where effort turned into excellence and dreams found direction. We now present a special DNN edition celebrating the achievements that made DPS Greater Faridabad a symbol of pride across academics, sports, leadership, innovation and culture. We began with national level academic excellence in engineering entrance examinations.
Suhan Garg achieved an outstanding All India rank 553 in JEE mains, securing a 99.96 percentile.
He further qualified JEE Advanced with All India rank 1002, marking sustained excellence across competitive examinations.
Additional JEE Advanced qualifier from DPS Greater Faridabad included Saurabh Garg with All India rank 3549, Arav Goyal with All India rank 4472, Vedant Garg with All India rank 6943, Vatsal Chandra with All India rank 14822, Agastya with All India rank 14933 and Mridul Singh Rawat with All India rank 25312.
Each of these ranks represented determination, disciplines and academic resilience.
Medical stream witnessed equally remarkable success.
Harsh Kaushik secured a score of 562 with a 99.64 percentile in UG NEET 2025.
Vidushi Singh followed closely with a score of 556 and a percentile of 99.50.
Naman Bhatia achieved 517 marks with a 98.47 percentile, while Jayati Kapoor scored 510 marks with a 98.10 percentile.
Other UG NEET qualifiers from DPS Greater Faridabad included Siya Gupta, Lakshit Chaudhary, Sharmishtha Dubey, Sanskriti Singh, Shikhar Mathur, Lakshita Chaudhary, Pragati Dagar, Kashish Chandla, Saksham Ranjan, Advait Kumar, Jasmine Chopra, Jagrit Malhotra, Yashika Oja and Advay Rana.
Each name reflected a step closer to service in the medical profession. This academic year, DPS Greater Faridabad didn't just compete in sports.
It dominated, qualified, medaled and created milestones at district, state, national and inter-school levels.
We began with the game that united strength, strategy and spirit, football.
DPS Greater Faridabad produced SGFI national level footballers including Ishgun Singh, Swanik Saini, Ishit Sethi and Radhan Arora.
At the state level, players like Madhav Mukesh Gupta, Arnav Batra, Hardik Madan and Kriday Das Mohapatra and Chinmay Gaur carried the school crest with pride.
The U17 boys football team secured district first position at the SGFI football tournament and repeated the feat at the pre-Sabroto football tournament.
At higher levels, the team earned state third position, CBSE Cluster 15 third position and emerged champions of the DPSG Football Cup.
Most remarkably, Faridabad won the SGFI State Football Tournament for the first time ever. and the team qualified for Inter-DPS National Football Tournament to be held at DPS RK Puram.
Among these triumphs, one achievement stood tall.
Ishgun Singh represented Haryana State at the National Football Tournament, marking a significant personal and institutional milestone.
This recognition reflected elite performance at the highest competitive level.
And it reaffirmed DPS Greater Faridabad's role in nurturing national level athletes.
Moving from turf to court, racket sports delivered exceptional success.
Savya Bhatnagar competed at the SGFI national level table tennis with Arush Gupta and Arnav Sharma achieved SGFI national recognition in badminton.
At the Inter-DPS national level, Arav Narula, Arush Gupta and Arnav Sharma represented the school with distinction.
Adding to this, Kushagra Gandhi competed at the Federation national level, expanding DPS Greater Faridabad's national sporting footprint.
At the Khelo Badminton Championship 227.0, Parth of Class 11 and Sparsh of Class 12 secured silver medals in men's doubles along with the 7,000 cash prize.
Excellence flowed strongly in aquatic sports.
Sanvi Verma competed across multiple championships including the CBSE North Zone 2, Haryana Open State and JG Sharma Talent Hunt swimming competition.
She secured a gold medal in 50-meter breaststroke and a bronze medal in 100-meter breaststroke at the CBSE North Zone 2 Championship.
At the national level, she earned a 9th position at the CBSE National Swimming Championship.
He further secured 7 positions in both 100-meter and 200-meter breaststroke at the Inter-DPS National Championship.
Mind sports and precision events also brought accolades.
Adya Kalra and Kashvi Sabarwal competed at the CBSE national level in chess.
At the district level, Vedant Pratap Singh secured 3rd position at the Districts Championship 2025-26 held at Grand Columbus International School.
In roller skating, Sayoni Sumbul achieved 2nd position at CBSE Nationals, followed by a gold medal at CBSE North Zonal Championship and a silver medal at the National Championship.
Basketball emerged as another area of dominance.
Players Jay Sharma, Anish Khan and Arav Khera competed at the Federation and SGFI state levels.
The U17 boys basketball team secured district 2nd position and won the silver medal as U17 boys basketball team secured district 2nd position and won the silver medal at the district's SGFI basketball tournament 2025.
The team also finished 2nd at MVN Inter-School Tournament, 2nd at Scantamaria League and emerged winners at Inter-DPS Basketball Tournament held at DPS Hisar.
In the track and field, DPS athletes delivered consistent podium finishes.
Shaurya Vardhan, Alia Chaudhary and Pratyaksh Malik competed at the SGFI state level across long jump, shot put and track events.
Relay teams featuring Vanshika Nagar and Diksha Nagpal secured state 2nd position while individual district medals followed.
Manik N, Kohli, Shaurya Bansal, Kshitij and Yajas Rawat earned district level medals in sprint and middle distance events.
Bat sports showcase courage and control.
Mayank Daima, Yashika Chaudhary, Veer Sharma, Prisha Gupta, Sanvi Kentura and Yashika Shenoy competed at the CBSE and Federation national levels in Taekwondo, kickboxing and karate.
In boxing, Vansh Saluja earned a zonal 3rd position, adding to the school's multi-sport excellence.
Academic distinction extended beyond entrance examinations.
Suhan Garg emerged as state topper in the National Standard Examination in Astronomy.
He also ranked among the top 1% nationally in the National Standard Examination in Physics.
At the Aryabhatta Ganit Challenge 2024, Shaurya Yadav placed among the top 100 students representing the Panchkula region.
In mathematics competitions, Vedant Gupta of class 5th secured rank 1 and Lavanya Gupta of class 8th secured rank 7 in the 42nd Aryabhatta Inter-School Mathematics Competition 2025.
At the international level, Kian Agarwal secured rank 1 in the Unified International Mathematics Olympiad and Diva Malik achieved international rank 1 in the SOF International Mathematics Olympiad 2024.
Our students' curiosity and scientific temperament also extended beyond Earth.
DPS Grade of Faridabad proudly participated in the National Space Quiz, reflecting strong engagement with space, science, astronomy and national level scientific inquiry.
This participation highlighted our students' enthusiasm for exploration, innovation and future-ready learning. Foundational learning also delivered national level success.
Vanshraj Kathuria of class 5th E secured the runner-up position in the annual championship exam 2024-25 Abacus AB4 level organized by Study Abacus India at the National Olympiad level.
Veronica Mittal of class 4th achieved a perfect 100% score at level 3 in Abacus SIP.
Narayani Khatri of class 6th was awarded the Challengers Silver Award by Study Abacus India for the academic year 2024-25.
Our students secured first position in Neo Gala exhibition and earned third position in mime presentation Silencio Verda, delivering powerful messages on sustainability through creativity and expression.
Adding to the success, DPS Grade of Faridabad also emerged winners in Prakriti Ki Pukar, reaffirming our commitment to environmental awareness and responsible citizenship. Technology-driven learning reached national platforms.
At TechLists 2025, Arnav Jha of class 9th D and Rani Chaudhary of class 10th C secured second prize in FinTech Apathy.
Aditi Kumar Jain of class 5th C and Ivana Pruthi of class 6C secured second prize in State Trail.
Ankit Kumar Malhotra of class 11C and Arav Bhatia of class 11C secured second prize in InnoQuest.
Aradhya Singh Jadoja and Mitra Arora of class 9C secured third prize in Bytes on Bytes.
At the Creativity League finale held at IIT Delhi, the Junior RoboQuest team secured first prize and a Dubai trip.
Projects were presented by Angad Veer Rana and Jay Vardhankar, Shubhangi Singh, Divjot Singh, Advik Dwivedi and Daksh Gupta, while CodeQuest teams from classes 4 and 5 were commended for excellence.
Academic agility continued through competitive quizzes.
At Mathematics Crusade 2025, Sayyam Dua and Abhinav Mittal secured first prize.
Confidence and articulation became defining strengths.
At MS Talks International, Arshi Khanna of class 5th C secured third position and was honored with the Youth Prodigy Award.
At MRIS Expressions Matter 0.5, DPS Greater Faridabad recorded multiple honors.
Anaya Mukherjee won first prize in vocals, Prapti Tiwari won first position in French TED, Harleen Sukhija won first position in monologue and Samarth Khatri won first position in poster making.
Lakshika Agarwal secured second runner-up in story writing and Twishal Yadav secured second runner-up in Western dance.
Riddhi Gurudev received jury mention for Katha Vachan and Akriti Sharma received jury mention for English TED.
Innovation at DPS Greater Faridabad carried responsibility.
At the Greenovation Challenge, team Namami Neer of class 9 secured first position at the Modern School Sonipat.
The team included Gokam Suri, Yash Agarwal, Arnav Goyal and Navya Garg.
At Festival Della Scienza 4.0 held at DPS RK Puram, Shrishti Goyal of class 9D and Lavanya Gupta of class 9C secured second prize in scientific photography.
Aradhya Sharma of class 8th H and Bhavya Agarwal of class 8th B won third prize in mind map design.
Environmental consciousness at DPS Greater Faridabad into impactful action at the Inter-DPS Environmental Festival held in Chandigarh.
At Math Fest 3.0, Kenisha Negi of class 8C and Sharika Dhar of class 8C secured first position at Math Vogue.
At the regional quiz, Ivana Pruthi and Samaira Langora won first prize in the junior group, while Raghav Agarwal and Prabjot Singh won first prize in the senior group, each team receiving a Rs 5,000 cash award.
Leadership found its voice on national platforms.
At Resolution MUN 11.0, Siona Gulati of class 9th earned an honorable mention and Sehaj of class 10 earned a high commendation.
At Zamsron MUN, Sehaj of class 11th won Best Delegate UNCSW. Akshara Gupta of class 11th earned honorable mention UNHRC. Daksh Gupta of class 11th earned special mention UNHRC and Sambodhi of class 9th earned honorable mention UNCSW.
At the Uthan Youth Parliament Season 6, Manas Vahi of class 12th won the Best Delegate Award, received a 6,000 rupees cash prize and was felicitated by Shri Salman Khurshid.
At Ethos 2025-26 Dharma Utsav, Manas Vahi secured second position in Dharma Sansad and Nobonita Bakshi of class 10th secured third position in Drishtikon.
Leadership at DPS Greater Faridabad continued to shine through service-oriented platforms.
Prisha Wadhwa of class 11th was selected as Zonal Interact Representative ZIR for District Interact Council RID 3011.
This achievement stands as a testament to her leadership skills, sense of responsibility and commitment to community service.
Academic and sporting excellence was further recognized at the FAP National Awards 2025.
Students Gurbani Singh and Adya Mishra from class 11th along with Abhinav Mittal, Akarsh Avasthi and Arav Khera from class 10th were honored for their outstanding academic achievements.
These recognitions celebrated consistent effort, discipline and excellence across academics and sports.
Institutional excellence received national acclaim.
DPS Greater Faridabad received the Green Flag Award, Certificate of Leadership, Torchbearer Award, Best School Award for Academics and Sports and was ranked number 2 in Greater Faridabad in the World India School Rankings 2025-26.
Our school's commitment to scientific awareness and space education received national recognition.
Under the agencies of Space India, the school earned National Rank 3 for Institutional Excellence at the National Space Day and the Inter-School Space Fest, celebrating excellence in space outreach and learning.
The principal, Dr. Bindu Sharma, received multiple honors including Lifetime Achieving Awards, Shiksha Ratna Award, Shikshak Samman and Leadership Trophies.
Faculty excellence reached global platforms such as Mr. Sanjay Punekar was selected to participate in the Huntingcust Art Fair in 2026 in the Netherlands.
As we close this chapter and welcome a new year, we carry forward not just memories but momentum.
The achievements we reflected on were more than milestones. They were foundations for an even stronger tomorrow.
With gratitude for the past and confidence in future, DPS Greater Faridabad stepped ahead with renewed purpose.
We extend our warmest wishes to every student, parent, educator and well-wisher for a happy, healthy and inspiring new year.
May the year ahead bring new opportunities, higher goals and greater achievements.
And as always, may we continue to learn, lead and rise together. This was DNN, DPS Greater Faridabad News Network.
reflecting on excellence, welcoming the future. Happy New Year!